Hi, this is how you perform a factory reset of the ZTE Watch K1 Pro. Please note that everything on the watch will be deleted upon following these steps. First, to be able to factory reset the watch at all, it needs to have a working SIM card installed in it and be connected to the ZTE Kids app. For this here, I've just removed my normal SIM card from my phone and then put it in the watch instead, since the phone is connected to Wi-Fi for its connection anyway. So now, on the phone and in the app, we tap the My section down to the right. We then select the watch in question up the top. If you got more than one watch here, be sure to select the correct one. Now press the unbind button and wait 10 seconds as the timer counts down. After this, to start the factory reset process, press the somewhat loosely translated button unbinding and resetting the watch. After this, the watch restarts and wipes all of your personal settings in the process. I should also mention that it is fully possible to perform these steps without a SIM card installed in the watch, but then no factory reset will be initiated on the watch. However, the watch will still be removed from the app. After this, we can now see that all these settings and images etc. are gone from the watch. At this point, either use the QR code to bind the watch to the app if you want to keep using it, or turn the watch off if you're selling or getting rid of it. To turn the watch off here, just open the settings menu on it and scroll down to power off, followed by a click on the accept button. And that is about that. Please share any thoughts or questions down in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye!